Hey everyone, Instructor Cory here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going over 5 signs of a beginner motorcycle rider, along with solutions to improve your riding skills. Let's jump right in. Sign number 1, awkward mounting and dismounting. Beginners often struggle with getting on and off the bike smoothly, which can lead to instability or even dropping the bike. Always mount from the left side, keeping the handlebars straight and the front brake squeezed in while you climb on and off. Use the foot peg for support if needed. When dismounting, ensure the kickstand is down and step off confidently. Practicing this in a controlled environment will help build muscle memory. Sign number 2, putting your feet down too often. Now that we know how to confidently get on and off the bike, the next problem we face is that many new riders lack confidence in their balance and instinctively put their feet down, even when unnecessary. I recently did a poll on my channel and found that one of the biggest problems new riders face is learning balance. The solution here is to work on slow speed control by practicing clutch and throttle coordination. Using the rear brake lightly while moving slowly can help maintain stability. Over time, you'll develop better balance and won't feel the need to put your feet down as often. One pro tip to help you out is to remember that speed equals stability. If you're feeling super wobbly or unstable and you just can't quite figure it out, try adding a little touch of throttle to help give you a little more speed, which will help you feel and be more balanced. Sign number 3, stiff, straight arms. Now that we've found some balance and we're keeping our feet up on our foot pegs, the next problem we see is riders locking their arms while holding the handlebars, which reduces control and makes the ride feel jerky. To help you solve this problem, keep a relaxed grip and bend your elbows slightly. This allows for better shock absorption and smoother steering. Think of your arms as flexible extensions rather than rigid bars. If you ride around feeling like you have a ton of weight on your handlebars and you're gripping your handlebars really tightly, then loosen things up. It'll help. Sign number 4, fear of using the front brake. Now that we've got some bend in our elbows and our arms are nice and loose and relaxed, the next problem we encounter is that many beginners hesitate to use the front brake properly, fearing they'll flip over or skid. As a certified instructor who's taught thousands of people how to ride motorcycles safely, this problem comes up a lot in my classes. The good news is there's a simple solution. Learn progressive braking. Apply the front brake gently at first, then increase pressure smoothly. The front brake provides most of the stopping power for your motorcycle, so mastering it is crucial for safe riding and being able to stop in the shortest distance possible. Sign number 5, poor lane positioning. Now that we've gotten better at using our front brake, the next problem we encounter is new riders often ride in the middle of the lane, which can reduce visibility and increase the risk of hitting debris or oil patches. To solve this problem, position yourself in the left or right third of the lane, depending on traffic and road conditions. This improves visibility and allows for better reaction time. Just remember that when it comes to one best lane position on the road, it doesn't exist. You need to adjust regularly based on the conditions, and you might find that sometimes the middle is the best position for this particular situation. So there you have it. Spotting a beginner motorcycle rider is easier than you might think. And now that you know these 5 telltale signs and some solutions to help solve these problems, you'll be a much safer and more confident rider because of it. But what if you're still starting out on your motorcycle journey and you're thinking about buying a used motorcycle soon to help you get going? But you're new to all this and you're scared you might get ripped off or scammed when buying that used bike. Well, then watch this video next for the top 5 things to consider when buying a used motorcycle.